Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We're going to start some sweet potatoes. We're going to start off by, this is just organic sweet potatoes from the grocery store. We want to get organic because they're not sprayed, and the spray prevents them from sprouting, which is exactly what you want if you want sweet potato plants for your garden. Okay, here's how I do it. This is just a canning jar of water. I'm just opening the sweet potatoes. Grab a sweet potato like this. I have a headache. I got a migraine. I had a migraine last 3 days. I'm going to cut it in half. And you want it to go down into the jar. Which I guess that this is going to be a challenge. You have to cut it the other direction. Let's get this end down. When it down into the water, and they say put they say to put toothpicks to hold it in, but I don't think mine will have to be. I think I picked a sweet potato that's too fat. I got a fat sweet potato. Maybe you want to pick one that's a little less fluffy, like this one. But it's okay because I'm doing quite a few of these for my garden. Hey Mel, hey Cindy. I'm going to do quite a few of these because up here it's hard to find sweet potato starch. So I thought I'd grow some of my own this year. Not that I think that'll slide down too much, but I'm going to add them anyway. Hey Nala, how's everything in your country? If you have fat and fluffy ones, you're going to have to go with a wide mouth jar. Like this one. And watch me pour water on my counter. Oh, that's okay. It's clean now. Just add a few toothpicks. And then I put these in well, Mom always did it in her kitchen windowsill. I have a problem. My house doesn't have a kitchen windowsill. So I'm going to put these by my screen patio door and see if they grow. This is going to be a great project if you got the kids home. This is a little biology project. Have them use organic sweet potatoes, thing of water, some toothpicks, and see how they grow their own sweet potato plants. And then they could grow them outside and harvest their own sweet potatoes. Yeah, there'll be multiple plants, and you can break the multiple plants off and plant them, and you'll have your own sweet potato plants. This is one idea. You can also get celery, and you cut the end off the celery. You normally throw that away, plant that in some dirt and have the kids watch that grow into their own garbage celery plant. And grow show them how to grow some of their own food while they're off, as a biology project. But yeah, there's a little biology project for the kiddos or for the gardeners. And we're gonna watch and see how this grows into our sweet potato plants, or see if Melissa has a brown thumb. But have a good day, and just thought I'd come to you with a little gardening idea, since I'm starting my garden soon. Hope everybody's healthy and well, and love y'all. Take care. Bye.